Alright guys, here we go with 2013 Panini Contenders. I'm going to talk about the product a little bit more in this video and go a little slower with the break. I picked up a case of this, thought I'd try it out. What's our box number on this one? 76. And kind of intrigued by this product. A lot of attention's gone towards Contenders 2012, but 2013 came out about a month ago, and there's a lot of nice stuff in this. I don't think the cracked ice look as good this year as it did last year. It's more subtle, but it says 5 autographs per box. First 2 boxes I ripped to this case. Yeah, I'll show real quick what I pulled out of those 2, just the main cards. Very good boxes. So this is the first 2 boxes of this. I didn't film those breaks. Kenny Stills championship ticket to 99 auto. Marlon Brown. Justin Brown championship to 99. Luke Wilson auto. Ray Graham. Vance McDonald parallel to 99. It's like a draft insert. Monty Ball auto. Rodney Smith auto. Steve Young parallel to 99. Legendary Contenders. Matt Sims for the Jets. Championship ticket, Michael Rivera to 99. And these 2 were in the same box. Mike Glennon, Rookie of the Year Contenders to 25 auto. And the championship, Mike Glennon to 99. So the same box had both of those. So the first 2 boxes of this were fantastic. Let's see what number 3 has in store. As I said before, I'm impressed with this product. Boxes have stayed pretty steady at about 125 to 130 on this product. It's nice. You get 24 packs, 5 cards per pack. You get probably about 7 to 9, I'd say, inserts, and you get a ton of base cards. So if you like putting sets together, you should be able to get close to the set in a couple boxes. The packs are pretty neat looking. They're blue. The retail Contenders this year are red. And I think they have 8 cards per pack instead of 5. Because this is hobby, so there's the inside of the box. Pretty cool. So let's see what we can pull from this one. As I said before, 5 autos, but I've been getting 6 out of this, and I think other people have too. We're going to start off with a Jerry Rice Legendary Contenders. Cool card. At the end of this break, I'll do a product review and also do a recap of the hits. And I also pulled from that first box. I don't think I showed it, but it was a cracked ice auto Deion Jordan redemption. I put the code in this afternoon. It's Jordan Reed. Whoops, Rodney Smith again. I pulled him in the first box. So first auto, Rodney Smith. I'm going to guess that that's not a short print. Oh, cool. Robert Woods. So Robert Woods auto. It's not the SP variation because it has the stars right there. But it's a solid player and a nice second hit. So Robert Woods, hit number 2. Some base. It's a rookie insert, round numbers. College teammates, Jarvis Jones and Alec Ogletree. Cool. And you get like 10 of these per box. It's a kid reporter, I think, to next year's Super Bowl. So I think it's kind of like a lottery. They just have a code. We got round numbers, Sheldon Richardson and Star Lotulé. Okay, another hit. This is a championship ticket, or playoff. I'm not sure what they call these. It might be a playoff ticket. But this one's out of 99, and it's Deion Sims, tight end for the Dolphins. So that's hit number 3. Just base. Touchdown tandems, Tony Romo and Des Bryant. Cool. Some base. Peyton Manning Decker, touchdown tandems. So we got 2 hits to go. Unless we have a bonus hit, which you never know with that. Just base. Just base. We have a redemption for a... Oh, cool. Zach Stacy. He's the Rams running back. I think he had like 950 yards this year. So that's cool. We'll have to try to get that redeemed this afternoon. So that's hit number 4. So one more. Just base. Rogers Jones tandems and some base. Just base. That's cool. It's a playoff insert Reggie Bush to 99. We're still sitting at 4 hits. Oh yes, I was hoping to get him. Kerry Robinson for the Saints. Cool. Yeah, he looked like he's got some talent. So that's 5 hits. That should be it. Another solid Contenders box. This stuff's really good. Rookie of the Year and Sal. That's cool. MVP Contenders, Russell Wilson. Gavin Escobar, rookie premier autograph. That must be a bonus 6th hit. Cool. Everything's on card. Well, I mean, there's obviously stickers, but a lot of it's on card. That's 6 hits. Draft class, Kenny Stills. Last pack. Matthew, Rookie of the Year, and that's how we're going to end this box in fashion. Let's go ahead and do a product review. Awesome cards, the design of the base, classic Contenders, looks just like a ticket. They added the birthday as the UPC code. The back design is fantastic. Box value, for me at least so far, it's been incredible. I'm going to give this product a 9 out of 10. And let's do a quick box recap. Gavin Escobar, on-card auto. Kerry Robinson. Zach Stacy, redemption auto. Deion Sims, playoff ticket to 99 auto. Robert Woods, auto on-card. And Rodney Smith. So, fantastic box, and tune in for more product reviews and breaks.